Hello, today we are going to make muesli. It's a light food for children. They eat it in the morning or any time. We're going to learn how to make it, the crunchy one. Let's start. First, this is our ingredients we have that we'll use to prepare the muesli. We have the sunflower and almond seed, brown sugar, dry fruits, honey, and this is the oats. We have water, vanilla, and we have salt. So I just used about half cup of sunflower, and the other ones are just full cup of it. So what we do is to pour the oats and the dry food. We mix the dry ingredient together. We add the salt and we stir it. Then the vanilla, and we just add 2 spoons of vanilla, then about 9 spoons of honey into it. We mix them together, just mix it together. And this meal is normally for kids mostly. You can eat it with take it with yogurt. That is a natural yogurt. They eat it in the morning sometimes. So we stir it together, and we add about 2 spoons of water. 2 spoons of water, but we just add them bit by bit. First I add a spoon of it. Then after stirring it, I add another spoon of it to it, and you stir it. So in all, then now we just add the other dry ingredient, that is the almond seed and the sunflower seed, into it, and add extra 1 spoon of water, making it 2 spoons of water, because I have to be very careful. I'm actually using about 400 grams of oats. That is the wheat. So I'm actually using 400 grams of oats. Then you just mix it together now, and stir them very well. You stir it, and this is it. Then the next thing is just to add about 2 spoons of vegetable oil. That is it here. Then you stir it. The essence of the vegetable oil is just to make it shiny. So when you bake it and it comes out a little bit, it becomes very shiny. You might decide to add more vegetable oil, like up to 3-4, but I just wanted to add little. So 2 spoons is enough. Then we just put it in the pan and spread it around. Preheat the oven for about 5 minutes at 160 degrees. Thereafter, you set the muesli into the oven and heat for about 8 minutes. Then you bring it out and turn it. Then you heat it again for about 5 minutes, and the muesli is ready. This is it. So you can see now I brought it out and mix the dry fruit. Then that is it. So I have to scoop it out. Note, you don't put the dry fruit in the oven, because if you put it in the oven, it will burn, and the sweet taste will change. And so you don't put it. You only will keep it after you have finished baking it, or what we call it, roasting it. You bring it out and add the dry fruit to it. So this is it. This one can be in the glass jar for about 2 weeks. Normally they stay I do every week, because the kids, they like it a lot, so I just do it every week for it. So and one more thing is that I had to dry I have a dried fruit, dried apple. My other son likes it when I add an apple to it. This is the dry apple. You can watch other my previous video. You see how I dried the apple. You can take it with natural yogurt because the muesli contain honey and sugar, so you don't need so much sweetening to eat sweetening liquid for it. So it's either you take natural yogurt or you take fresh milk to eat it. Adults can also eat this muesli, mostly served as breakfast in the morning. It's a light food and it's very healthy. Like in the bottle, when it is placed inside the bottle, it can be up to 2 weeks. Normally this one is just 1 week because my kids, they liked it a lot. And that is it. Please don't forget to subscribe please. Thank you so much, and bye bye.